Today's story is called The Bike Ride. It's about two boys who go riding on a mountain trail.
骑自行车。汤姆和杰克一起骑自行车，他们决定骑车上山。一路景色宜人，秋天的树叶色彩斑斓，有绿色、红色、橙色和黄色。他们还可以看河流和小溪。他们计划之后去河里钓鱼。
Let's take a look at some of the words in this story. 骑 to ride, a horse or a bicycle. 自行车 a bike. 骑车 to ride a bike or to cycle. 山 mountain. 景色 view or scenery. 宜人 delightful. 秋天 autumn. 树叶 leaf. 斑斓 gorgeous or multicolored. And then 河流 rivers. All right, now that we've gone through a few of the words, let's go through the English for the story. The bike ride. Tom and Jack were going on a bike ride. They decided to ride through a mountain path. The view was amazing. It was autumn and the leaves were beautiful. There were shades of green, red, orange, and yellow. They could see rivers and streams. They planned to go fishing in the river one day. All right, now that you've heard the story in English, so you have some context, we've gone over a few of the words. Let's play it again in Mandarin to listen and see if we can better understand it now.
骑自行车。汤姆和杰克一起骑自行车，他们决定骑车上山。一路景色宜人，秋天的树叶色彩斑斓，有绿色、红色、橙色和黄色。他们还可以看河流和小溪。他们计划之后去河里钓鱼。
All right. So, reading Mandarin and listening to Mandarin are some of the best ways to learn. Words are important, flashcards, sure. But remember that just immersing yourself in the language is going to be one of the best ways to really learn things. You see words in context, you get to understand them. And that's why I've got these Mandarin stories. So if you'd like to use this app yourself, it's easy, it's free. There's a link in the video description that will let you sign up for getting a weekly story in your inbox over email. So just go ahead and sign up for that, and you'll get stories like this, just one a week, and you'll be able to read at your own pace in pinyin, in characters, and in English as well. And you'll be able to tap on any word that you don't know and see the definition right away. And then you can listen and read at the same time. So it's a great way to learn. Let's go ahead and listen to the other two pages of this story. I won't go through words or the English on these. We'll just listen to them in Mandarin.
他们骑累了，就在公园停下来，坐在长凳上休息。汤姆和杰克拿出水瓶喝水，汤姆带了一些奶酪和饼干和杰克分享，然后他们继续骑车。他们停下来给在田野里吃草的鹿拍照。在下山的路上，杰克的自行车链条掉了。汤姆帮他修好了。他们在一家三明治店停下来吃午饭，附近有一条小溪，他们走到溪水边，坐在草地上吃东西。他们回家后把自行车放在车库里，他们期待着下一次还能一起去兜风。
Thanks for listening.